She's so funny. Hi, Josie. What are you doing? She was just purring so loud. Hi, lover. Am I allowed to pet you? Okay, permission granted. You know, purr for your mama. Purr. She's so cute. She dropped a bomb for us. Good girl. We needed a bomb. No poop for 3 days. It's not like her. She had the poops before that, so maybe it's relevant. Anyway, her weight is stable and great. And she's purring, and she's just obsessed with this bath mat. She doesn't come upstairs much. She does occasionally, but she's really into sitting right by her bed. It's her favorite spot. I think it makes her feel safe to know that she could run into her bed if there was a loud noise or something. So she started at 19 pounds. Oh, holy cow. She dropped to 18.12, and now she's up to 19.8. But here's the thing. She hadn't pooped, so she's probably already down to about 19.5. So she's gaining a little weight overall. Don't you gain weight. So I'm not too worried though because she hadn't pooped for 3 days and she just pooped. So probably that will drop back down. But she's a fatty. We don't want her to gain weight. All right, kitty Mel.